For Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED UX582 owners seeking a performance boost or a replacement, the 60NB0V10 MB1500 motherboard presents a compelling option. This motherboard is specifically designed as a compatible spare part for the UX582 series, ensuring a seamless fit and optimal functionality. At the heart of this motherboard lies an Intel Core i9-11900H processor, a powerhouse with a 2.5 GHz base clock speed. This SRKT7 processor, combined with a generous 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, delivers exceptional processing power for demanding tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. The HM570 chipset further enhances performance and stability. Graphics capabilities are handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 with 6 GB of GDDR6 memory. This dedicated graphics card provides stunning visuals and smooth frame rates, making it ideal for content creation and immersive gaming experiences. The integrated CPU socket ensures a secure and reliable connection for the i9-11900H processor. With a memory clock speed of 3,200 MHz, the 32 GB of DDR4 RAM ensures rapid data access and efficient multitasking. This is crucial for handling large files and running multiple applications simultaneously. The motherboard's compatibility with the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED UX582 series guarantees a hassle-free installation process. Overall, the 60NB0V10 MB1500 motherboard is a solid choice for those looking to upgrade or repair their Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 15 OLED UX582. Its powerful components and seamless compatibility make it a worthwhile investment for professionals and enthusiasts alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.